A very deliberate, sustained effort to develop a better way of crimping a door skin flange resulted in the development of the DS1000 tool. The DS1000 is a very versatile tool with provisions to accommodate virtually any door flange thickness by simply loosening 2 socket head screws and sliding the nylon dolly pad fore or aft and retightening the screws. The unique design allows the tool to maneuver around inner and outer curves as well as most body design features. A powerful pneumatic drive motor with planetary gear reduction reduces the speed and allows for maximum range of motion of the crimping head. The forged and hardened steel crimping head is specifically designed to roll the steel flanges over with a minimum physical effort and leaves the flange smooth without unsightly ripples. A reduction in the time required to install a door skin as much as an hour or more can be expected, improving your bottom line in either a commission or rate environment. Elimination of the damage to the outside of the door skin further reduces labor during finishing and leads to improvement in the quality of the finished product. The finished crimp is typically indistinguishable from a factory crimp. Because the DS1000 is very lightweight and maneuverable, one-handed operation is possible, which allows for a free hand to manipulate the workpiece. Because of the variable flange thickness adjustment, accurate disbursement of panel adhesive in the crimped area results in a smooth glue bead. Installing door skins has always been a very tedious, labor-intensive job, originally done with a hammer and dolly. Other tools have been designed over the years to simplify this job, but all of them offer minimal improvement at best. In addition, a significant reduction in operator fatigue leads to fewer cases of carpal tunnel syndrome and other repetitive motion ailments. The reduction in time, labor, and improved quality results in a very short payback period on your investment. In many cases, the DS1000 tool pays for itself within weeks. Visit us at www.astrotools.com. The DS1000 door skinning tool is very straightforward and simple to operate. However, spending a few minutes to read through the instructions and watch this video can make you proficient in the use of the DS1000 much more quickly. First, make sure you have the nylon pad adjusted to obtain the crimp thickness to your liking. It is also necessary to have the starting corners hammered down nearly tight. Starting the first inch or two of the corners of the door by using a hammer and dolly to fold the flange down tight accomplishes 2 things. First, it keeps the door skin in place around the shell, and second, it creates a place to engage the DS1000 tool onto the skin flange. It is necessary to have the flange bent over at least 80 degrees from horizontal. In other words, the flange should be hammered over somewhat all the way around the door skin. Flanges on body style features that are too abrupt to be done with the DS1000, as well as sharp corners, etc., will need to be folded over with a hammer and dolly. It is also important to roll the DS1000 slightly counterclockwise, looking at the air inlet as you are operating it so that the innermost edge of the nylon pad will not contact the exterior surface of the door skin. Not like this shown here, which may cause damage to the outer door skin. When using the DS1000 in this manner, it is necessary to keep the nylon pad on the outermost edge of the door skin. Not like this shown here, which may cause damage to the outer door skin. It is critical that you keep the tool straight and parallel to the edge of the door while you are operating it. If you operate the DS1000 tool at even a slight angle away from the edge of the door, you will run the risk of the reciprocating head catching on the uncrimped flange and deforming it. The DS1000 works by folding the door skin flange over and pinching it tight between a hardened steel reciprocating crimping head and an adjustable nylon anvil pad. The DS1000 makes short work of crimping the door skin flanges of straight or smoothly contoured door edges. It can be used successfully in areas as short as 3 inches or infinitely longer. Now you are ready to finish the crimp with the DS1000. With a little practice, you will experience outstanding results both on the exterior surfaces of the door and the inside flange, and save lots of time as well.